afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tim Wall for Tania.co.uk at the top of the Bouc Blanc chair, 1800 metres on the 27th of February. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And here I am. I'm very privileged. I'm going to say bonjour because I've got a team of French locals with me, and there's some of the locals that have been around for years. So I've got Bruno Convert, Axe Ski Hire, Télémarque Extraordinaire. I've got Terry from the ESF, and Monchou, old school Tania from the ESF as well, and Jean-Marc, 42 years working on the lift system just above Tania. So you probably recognise him now. But yeah, he's been around for so long. So we're here. We hiked up this morning at 9 o'clock, and since 10 o'clock, we arrived about 10 o'clock, and we've had a little bit to drink. And the tradition, the French tradition, is to have a bit of thon de Savoie cheeses, French Savoyard cheeses, the thon de Savoie, the Beaufort, the saucisse, the white wine, and the pâté as well. All homemade, absolutely fantastic. So we're here at the moment. Ski conditions are great, very eerie, very quiet. But we came up via the Folyères piste. It's been groomed and it is in absolutely brilliant condition. So I've had a little bit to drink today, so we're going to go down slowly. Unfortunately, I'm with the ski instructors. It's cost me a lot of money to have these guys with me today. Sometimes you have to buy your friends.
Not us, not us.
Not us, no. C'est les vrais amis. So we're going to go down.
It's just for you.
Down,
it's just for you.
Back down to Tania. But as I say, it's we're very sorry that you're not here at the moment. Conditions are really good, but it is spring conditions. We're in March and it must be 18, 19 degrees at the moment. So we're not even in March and it's spring conditions. But we're enjoying it, and we'll hopefully see you next year. So from my French friends, mes amis français, on va dire...
You don't talk about your material.
I've just wanted to say, if you're getting up, if you're coming out to the mountains, you've got some great ski gear nowadays. It's so light, and the bindings are so light as well. You can tour up the mountains so easily.
Yeah.
Monchou says they're not good.
No, because you can...
Oh yeah. These are Monchou skis. They're not particularly, they're a little bit heavier, but Monchou swears by these. So it's either blizzard or movement if you want to do a little bit of ski touring. But that's about it from Tania.co.uk, and I'm very privileged today to have my French friends. Je suis très privilégié d'avoir mes amis français aujourd'hui. Donc,
just for today, hein?
Bruno, Terry, Jean-Marc, Monchou from Tania.co.uk. We're going to give you a great au revoir, and we'll see you in December, hopefully.
Yeah.
Saison prochaine.
The winter is not finished.
And now you go.
À bientôt.
Stay safe. The drinks. Yeah. Gents, we're on the Folyères piste. Absolutely brilliant. I'm privileged to be with these guys here. Some of the locals that have been here for 20, 30 years. The ESF, absolutely brilliant. I've got Monchou filming at the moment, so I'm not sure this is going to come out, but we're halfway down the Folyères piste. Spring conditions. It's been pisted last night. It's absolutely brilliant. So look forward to seeing you all in December. From Tania.co.uk. We're off down the hill. Come on, boys. Allez, allez, allez. Hey, up, 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 up. I've been difficult to keep up with these guys. I must confess, these skis are not the same as skiing on normal skis. They may be good hiking up the hill, very light, light bindings, but coming downhill, it's not the same. So that's my excuse for skiing badly. But obviously, it doesn't affect the pros. So, see you down at the bottom of the hill.
Ah, ça porte.
I can just say.
What? You carry on to speak?
I've
Oh.
never seen so good skiing down there. Absolutely brilliant conditions.
Yeah,
Spring
because we
skiing,
chose the
the
best
end of
slope.
February.
Yeah.
It's the second time I've been on the skis this season. Unfortunately, you could probably
No.
see by the skiing. But
Prefer this one.
ma femme, elle m'appelle.
Ah ouais.
My wife's calling me. Allez, on descend.
Et on va où?